Okay, so I'm going to show you how to record these videos like I'm doing, right? So so basically what I'm doing is, recording the screen, right? So these called screen sharing or screen recording screen, right? So a screenshot is a still picture of your monitor screen, but what we are doing here is not a still shot, but a screen capture of the whole, video. Right, so the software I'm using is from screencast.com. So all you have to got to do is just go there, sign up. It's free, right? And then if you're logged in with Google, if you're already logged into your Gmail account, you can sign up with Google, or you can just punch in your email address and log in. And when you're inside, you will get a screen like this, right? So what you want to do is you want to go here and launch the recorder, right? So when you click on that, you will be prompted to download the software and install it. And once it launches, it will be something like this, right? So if you press record, it will start recording immediately. But before you do that, you want to make sure that the microphone is properly configured. If it's not, your voice will not be heard, right? So you want to click here, and then you want to select the correct microphone. So in my case, I'm using this headset as the microphone, right? So afterwards, you want to go here and select the screen size you want. Do you want full screen, active window? 720p would be a smaller size like this. 480 would be even smaller size, right? But I want full screen, full resolution, 1080p, right? And after that, you want to select whether you want to record only the screen, or whether you want to record both the screen and the webcam. So if you press this button, the webcam will come up, right? And you can accordingly decide what you want. If you want your face to come up, then you need this version, right? And then once you recorded all whatever you want, right, you can switch between windows. You can go from Chrome to PowerPoint to whatever, right? It will record whatever that shows up on your video screen monitor, right? And then once you are done that, you will get a pause button here, right? And then you press that pause button. When you press the pause button, you get this, right? So it's basically asking you, uh, do you want to play it back and view it, or do you want to delete it, or are you done? Are you done? So if I'm done, I click the done button, and then it asks me what I want to do. Do I want to save it as a MP4 file? Do I want to share it? Now you can do that also. You can do quick share. If you do quick share, the file will be uploaded onto screencast.com, and it will give you a link, right? So you can simply send this link to people, and people can watch it, right? That's a very nice way to do it. But the only problem is with that, you won't be able to upload it onto Moodle, but it doesn't matter because the link is there. But with the free version, I don't know, maybe the limitation is that uh, it won't last forever. So I always do save, right? So when I save the file, I can upload it to wherever I want. I can have it saved inside my computer. I can upload it onto YouTube if I want, right? I forgot to tell you. So this is the free version, right? So now this is the free version, and the main limitation here is the maximum time length you can use record is I'm sorry, 15 minutes, right? So if you, I mean, typically our lectures go a lot longer than 15 minutes. So what you need to do is then you have to merge videos as part 1, part 2, part 3. part 4, and then you have to merge them together, or you just break up at 15 minutes and you call that video 1, then second 15 minutes you call that video 2, third 15 minutes you call it video 3, and so on. So you can either keep them separately or you can merge them as you wish. Right, so that's that. And then once you come here, it will ask you, okay, where do you want me to save this, right? And then you just have to show the location where you want to save, or whether you want to do a quick share and get a link, right? So this is all. I will do one video on merging, and I will also do one video on trimming, right? So let's say I accidentally මදුරුවෙක් කාලා පොඩ්ඩක් මල පැනලා සුද්ධ සිංහල වචනයක් කිව්වොත් එහෙම, right, you have already done 14 minutes, and on the 14th minute you say this Suddha Sinhala Vachane. Now you can't redo the whole thing, right? So you can trim off that Suddha Sinhala Vachane, the last 30 seconds or whatever, right? So you can do that, and then you can without starting from the beginning, you can start from wherever you stop. So I will do 2 more videos, one on merging videos and one on trimming videos. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I sincerely hope people will adopt this. මට හිතනවා මේ මම ගංගඩිනි කපනවා තමයි මේ වීඩියෝ එක කෙනෙක්වත් බලන එකක් නැත දන්නෙත් නෑ, but can't help, I was assigned a job, so I am doing my job.